Hello everyone, I'm Christian and I'm showing you a very pre-alpha version of Together, which is our JIRA UI in virtual reality. As you can see, we have very rudimentary avatars because we are currently focusing on integrating JIRA and not on making it shiny glossy. We are here in an outside scene because we learned that we want to go out with the team and not stay in a room, which was the scene before. We have a couple of tables over there, which we use for experimenting. And I suggest we just go over to the table using the teleport, which we have implemented as a standard locomotion. So come here. Sebastian is, by the way, doing the camera. Hi, Sebastian. He's not audible, but he is here. As you can see, this is the table which is representing the board on the wall, which you usually have on the wall. We think that it is more natural to stand in front of a table if you have the space. We have unlimited space, and that we can look at each other while we are talking about the board and not standing in front of a board. And also to try something else, not the regular things which you already know from classical Scrum ceremonies. So what we have here is a table where we have columns and rows, just like on the JIRA board. It's not layouted very properly at this point. As I said, it's very pre-alpha. You have tickets represented by tokens, as we say. The size of the tokens is supposed to visualize the complexity. So that one over there is a very tiny one. This is a bigger one, almost epic size. And the forms of the tokens are supposed to represent the tickets, the issue types. So this could be some kind of rusty thing. It might be a bug. This one is probably a story, a task, a subtask, and we can invent more tokens as required. You can see that the ticket name is already written here. If you just turn it around, Sebastian, you can hold it to the camera and see that the ticket ID is written on the token already. And now if I take this bug, for example, and I put it into this void zone, you can see that over there we have the summary and the description of the JIRA issue and even the ID on the top right side. And if I take it out from the void zone, then the text disappears. So we can talk about the details if required. And then one typical action during the daily stand-up would be to move the bug one step further if I move it from to do to doing or to done or whatever status you have. So that's it in a nutshell. That's how far we are. Next, we will be focusing on getting the state to synchronize, so you can actually see what is the status. We don't have signs for this is the to do, this is the done or in progress column. So we are working on that. And the backend is already set up, but we need to connect it to the JIRA server, which will happen next or next to next week. So we keep you posted, and we would love to hear your feedback. That's it. Bye-bye.